Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing a healthy Gourd Lehya recipe which promotes healthy weight gain in persons of all age groups. It also improves strength, helps reduce general weakness and boosts immunity. Ingredients are gourd 1 kg, walnuts 25 grams, almonds 50 grams and jaggery 250 grams. Firstly, peel the skin of the gourd and remove all the seeds from it. Then, grate the gourd. This lehya also helps to build muscle and nerve strength. Then, squeeze the excess water from the gourd and transfer it into a pan as being shown here in the video. Start heating the gourd. Cook this gourd for up to 2 to 3 minutes by closing the lid. The excess water obtained from the gourd is very healthy to drink. Do not throw it away. After 2 to 3 minutes, add 250 grams of jaggery to it and mix it well. Allow this mixture to cook on a medium to high flame. Meanwhile, prepare the powder of crushed almonds and walnuts with the help of a blender jar. Grind it into a fine powder. Add the walnut and almond powder to the gourd mixture and mix it well. Cook this mixture on a low flame until the mixture starts to thicken and separates from the pan as being shown here in the video. Now turn off the flame and the lehya is ready for consumption. Allow this lehya to cool down completely and then transfer it into an airtight container. To use, consume 2 teaspoons of this lehya once daily with warm milk. For best results, use it continuously for 3 to 6 months. Try this remedy and share your feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.